They've only gone and done it. They've only gone and done it. I found it. I found it. This is my keyboard. Oh my God. Hey everyone. So yes, today we are talking yet again another keyboard, but this one has took my heart and threw me into a nostalgic sweep. And I think this is now my daily driver. I don't know if I can ever find a keyboard to beat this. If you have ever seen Video Game High School, where Brian D takes down the law, on that old crappy keyboard that's, even though that one's a full length and I'm not a full length person, and it just it was that vibe. I was sitting there like, I wish there was a keyboard out there that just had this aesthetic with the modern hot swappable being mechanical, sounding great, feeling good, and just looking, oh. And there is. I'm sorry. That's this keyboard. I don't even care that the whole thing is made of plastic and it is literally only cabled. You can't have it wireless or even with a USB dongle, but it does work on Mac and Windows, so I'll give it that. But this is the Keychron C1 Pro. Now, I don't know why they call it a Pro. Either way, I don't care. This is just that keyboard. Okay, it is the one and only nostalgic bomb in a mechanical, damn good looking board, right? It also comes with the keycaps for Mac, so if you're using it on Mac, you've got the options and your weird little, your weird little drift track symbol. I don't know what that means. Command, is it? I don't know. But I'm obviously on Windows, so there you go. The main thing I love about this is the fact that it tells you here if you are on Mac or Windows when it's plugged in, so you know, oh, that's why my Windows key's not working, or that's why my Mac command isn't working, because you're on the wrong setting, silly Billy. Then you've got your caps lock, and it tells you right here that your caps lock's on. That's one thing that I will gripe over all blooming keyboards. If you don't tell me my caps lock's on, I'm going to smash you. Joking. But this does have a wee bit of flex, all right? That's a bit flexy, but again, it's all plastic. Comes with dual standing feet. Not that I ever use them because I think that's a good angle anyway for typing. The sound, oh, I'll wait till the end, till the sound, but still. The switches, I believe, are the Keychron Banana switch. So they are a tactile switch, and I think they sound fantastic. It is gasket mounted, obviously stabilizers, pre-lubed. All of the good stuff that you want to see from a Keychron keyboard in a nostalgic looking case. Oh, but there's one thing that I've actually left out this whole time. This board is actually a sleeper board. So what that means, what does that mean? It's an 8K pollen keyboard. This thing is ridiculously sensitive and on point. Yes, it's not magnetic or it's not TMR technology, but that would just be taking it too far. Okay, you can't be going on shitting on kids with a retro looking keyboard that's Hall effect, right? Magnetic or TMR. That's unfair. So it's got to have some sort of old style with it being, you know, just standard analog mechanical switches. But even then, I think if it had Hall effect switches, it wouldn't sound the same because all Hall effect switches sound like ass, where this just sounds so good. I don't even think the video will give it justice. No, it's not creamy, it's not thocky, it's just nostalgic-y. Okay, that's my new saying. That's what this is, nostalgic-y. Not thocky, not creamy, nostalgic-y. That's the Keychron C1 Pro, 8K polling rate, wired only, because that's the only way that you're going to get that 8K pollen, and it just looks good, feels good, and there's nothing else I can really say about this board. The profile, fantastic. The feel, absolutely glorious. And again, the look, the sound, the taste, everything about this board just brings back absolute vibes. And I get it, it's not aluminium casing, it's not got all this fancy stuff. It's just a generic board with 8K pollen. That's it. But for me, that's all I need. So if you want to check this board out, there will be a link down in the description. I appreciate Keychron for sending this out because this is now my new daily driver. And yeah, if there's anything I actually might have missed about this keyboard that you think that you want to know, let me know in the comments below. I want to know in the comments as well if you have seen Video Game High School. If you have not, I cannot recommend. It was one of the best YouTube series ever made To this day, still one of the best series that you can go and watch if you are into any style of video game, drifting, MMO, PS, RPG, all of that good stuff. Built into a school where they go and learn. Just, it's funny, it's good, it's well made, great CGI. Everything about it just screams, why was this not made into a movie? My name's been Callum AFK, AFK standing for another freaking keyboard, Capture, Create, Captivate, and I'll see you all in the next video. Time for the sound test.